Hey, what's up? So I'm gonna show you a little unboxing video of the camshaft and some of the valvetrain parts that I've ordered from GPI. I decided to go with the GPI Stage 3 for my 2004 GTO because I was looking at like Texas Speed, but I talked to a buddy back home who actually worked for GPI, and he kind of convinced me to go with GPI on this one. And they offer a hell of a military discount, so I could not turn that down. I've already kind of taken a peek, as you can see, but they ship it all in this one box. And I had to wait a little while because everything was kind of on back order. And I think they had to actually make the camshaft. I got the Brian Tooley Racing dual valve springs. I don't really know why the box is kind of torn across front. Kind of shows you how the valve should sit, the spring should sit or whatever. Get the retainers. Seal kit. And springs, which are gorgeous. Then you got your push rods that come in this box. 5/16 hardened push rod for LS. There's, I guess, part number there. Come in this bag. They are 7.425. You can see it on there too. I've also got a Smith Brothers Trunion upgrade coming, which was on back order, so but it should be here this coming week. But it's alright, I'm not really in a rush. Currently stationed in Washington, and I'm gonna drive the car home on block leave and have previously mentioned buddy install the parts for me. Here's the camshaft. It comes wrapped in this cardboard type deal. As you can see, on the right, it's SS3, it's a stage 3, part numbers and whatnot. Very nice. And then they also give you the spec sheet, camshaft specs. So these are their specs. Center line 108, 0.646 valve lift intake, 0.638 on the exhaust, center line 116 on the exhaust, lobe separation 112, and duration is 233 for intake and 253.1 on the duration. Should be pretty aggressive camshaft, which is why we've got a stage 1 clutch, and I've got that, and I'm going to show you another video. That'll be in the next video. I'll unbox that with a new slave cylinder and bearing. Yep. So appreciate you.